Good morning, friends. I'm Dr. Kharge. On behalf of the Department of English, Savitribai Phule Mahila Mahavidyalay, Satara, welcome all of you, the newcomers. Newcomers in the sense you are enrolled this year in this college. All of you were somewhere for your 12th standard. Since 2020-21, you will be here for degree course. It is called BA. For this BA degree, you have 3 years course, 6 semesters, and each semester will carry at least 300 marks. So finally, there will be 1900 the score out of which you will gain whatever your capacity. I am on behalf of Department of English is going to communicate with you for compulsory English. It is entitled Ability Enhancement Compulsory Course. Since last 2 years, the introduction of CBCS, Choice Based Credit System. Instead of percentage, there will be the grade for the degree for every year and every semester. So, the paper compulsory English in which you will study, that is I am going to present here. There will be 4 modules. Modules. Are you surprised or shocked? It is a new word for you. Up to this time, you have used the words like unit, lesson, isn't it? But now it is the new word module. It is nothing else but earlier your unit or the lesson. So module number 1 and its A section, it will have the communication skill entitled Developing Vocabulary. You will have your own dictionary, and this dictionary is called your vocabulary. How to develop this vocabulary? It is a skill. It is a communication skill. By your necessity, you always use the words like whatever you like and you need. So grammatically how you can develop the words, it is the explanation in this unit. Its B section is entitled On Saying Please. It is written by A.G. Gardiner. All of us are using the word please. You are unknown when you have started to use this word please. But every day, everybody uses the word please. And it has the power. And not only the power, but also it has the glory. If you say please, definitely the response that you will get, it is positive. So it has the importance in your life. It is underlined and focused by A.G. Gardiner. So the first module, its B section, it is a reading comprehension. It will inculcate the value of the please. Module number 2 Its A section, again it is communication skill part, and there is a narration. So everybody has the skill. Actually, it is the skill that is inculcated since your childhood days. Everybody does like to listen the story, and definitely to listen there is the necessity of the teller. That is, who is going to tell you a story. And this way is called narration. Its B section, again reading comprehension, and it is entitled as In Passion's Shadow. It is written by Mohan Rakesh. Module number 3A, again communication skill, and it is English for general purposes. The B section is entitled The Solitary Reaper, and it is a poem by William Wordsworth. Might be you are known with this poet. Module number 4A, it is My School, written by Rabindranath Tagore. B section, All the World is Stage. It is written by William Shakespeare. And the C section, The Secret. It is written by Kusumagraj. In this fourth module, all these are parts of reading comprehension. There is no communication skill. But through this syllabus, you can judge and justify that there are just 3 communication skills unit, and there are 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 units of reading comprehension. Through these 2 levels, communication skills and reading comprehension, these 2 levels where there will be inculcated the language and its skills and the ethical values of the life. So overall, Board of Studies has done really this nice job of framing the syllabus in this way for the first semester of BA Part 1 for 50 marks. So there is again, Board of Study has given the pattern of question paper. In this pattern of question paper, there are 4 questions with sub-questions. Only one question has no sub-question, but remaining questions have the sub-questions. These are labeled as like this. Question number 1A, it is MCQ. MCQ means multiple choice questions. The 4 questions will be asked with the 4 alternatives, and these questions will be set on prose and poetry, and the marks are allotted for this question, 4 marks. Question number 1B, again it is objective question like A, answer in 1 word or phrase or sentence each, and it is also framed on prose and poetry, and the marks allotted 4. So overall objective 2 questions, and it will give you more score. Out of 8 you will be 8, or might be 6 or 7 or something like that. Here is the chance you have to achieve to bag the more marks. Question number 2A, it is answer the following questions in 3 to 4 sentences each, and it is also again prose and poetry, and the marks are allotted 8. Question number 2B, write short notes on the following in about 7 to 8 sentences. You have to write 3 short notes out of 5, again on the prose and poetry, and the marks are 9. So 25 marks are given for prose and poetry, and remaining 2 questions are set on the communication skills. And even see this, even there is a do as directed might be studied earlier, but you have this time different question on this. So question number 3, do as directed, and it will be set on module number 1A, That is, it is developing vocabulary, and marks are given 8. The 4 questions will be set there, and each question will carry the 2 marks. Question number 4A, and the question to be set on English for general purposes. It is module number 3A. It is communication skill. So 8 marks allotted to this question, and the last question, it will be set on narration, again the communication skill, module number 2A, and the marks allotted 9. So 8 plus 8, 16 plus 9, 25. 25 marks are allotted to the communication skills. So 25 for prose and poetry and 25 for communication skills. So 25 plus 25 is equal to 50. Total 50 marks paper it will be. Question paper. University question paper for this compulsory English. I will provide you the hard and soft copies of the university question paper. So thank you. Don't bother about this compulsory English. Generally, you are afraid of this English, but really it is very nice and useful to you. English is the passport of the life. So achieve it, to have it, and its skill will provide you employability. Thank you.